welcome back to our YouTube video. We already finished the build. Well, not finished. There's still a couple things missing, like these little trim pieces. It's actually been like a year since we finished. Well, maybe less than a year, but it's been a year since we pulled the engine out and redid the head gasket on it. As you can tell, like, we're not 100% done just yet. We still need to like fix the hood latch so this can go down a little bit, but it's not too bad.
Yeah,
and the headlights are a little crusty, but the rest of this video is just going to be kind of a recap of what we did. The only reason I'm doing the intro now is because we lost the SD card for the GoPro. I'm not sure where it went, but it's also been like a year since we recorded the intro for that, so this will be the intro for it. We've gone ahead and painted all the parts, the hood, the fender, the front bumper, door, and then the bumpers inside the pull screen. We will be taking off the windows and stuff to put onto the new doors, so we're going to start with the front door right now. have the engine all put back together. We didn't record much just because we had to put this in the garage since it was getting kind of cold out, and the city also didn't want us to have the car outside, took it apart. So we had to move both the engine and the car inside, and we didn't have much room. And it was also like a 3-4 week process to take it all apart, fix everything. We had to take the turbos off, intake manifold, to get to the head and change the head gasket. Right now we have everything put back together, the harnesses. We just have these little coolant lines and a bunch of small little things like having to connect this little hose that connects to the top mount intercooler. So it shouldn't be too much work left. We're just gonna put it on the engine hoist, put the new clutch and flywheel. We have a stage 2 clutch and a lightweight flywheel just because we needed a new one anyways, and why go stock? We're gonna be putting this back in, hopefully have it running by tomorrow. Well, we're gonna put everything back in by tonight, and then tomorrow add the fluids and hopefully it runs. We're gonna take this pin out so that we can just slide all this out. Me and my brother are gonna carry this and just put it onto the tire so that we can get it upwards, because then otherwise then these legs get in the way of each other. So we're just gonna have to struggle and put this on here. Scrubbing the dowel pin. This is one of them. The other one is supposed to go like right here somewhere. I think it's that one, but it's on the engine right now because it came out with the engine. Should be right here. Oh, you can't really see. Yeah. There's a flashlight. Okay, down there. This thing right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna clean it and I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on it so it can go in a lot easier. And we'll struggle with it. Yeah, last time we had to heat it up just so we can get it off. And then this you have to be kind of careful because there's like
a hose.
Yeah, a hose or plastic that was getting kind of like burnt and you could smell it, so you might want to be careful with that.